If you hate presenting and creating slides, but you have to regardless, this minimalistic Japanese presentation method will simply change your life. Hello everyone, my name is Lumi, and before we start, I want to thank every single person that watched my previous video. If you still didn't, you can click here, where the link will be in the description box below. There are many presentation styles, and there are 1,000 ways and designs how to organize the slides. So no wonder that it can be super overwhelming for someone who simply wants to create a presentation that is easy, quick and impactful without having to master all those softwares like PowerPoint, Prezi or Canva. When last week a friend of mine asked me for the easiest and quickest way how to create a presentation, I automatically thought of Pecha Kucha. By the way, I also have a video on that. But then I started to wonder, is there a way or a technique that is even easier than that? And yes, there is. Takahashi Method, which was named after its creator Masayoshi Takahashi, is a Japanese alternative presentation method. It is really the dream of every minimalist because it is 100% oriented to efficiency. First of all, Takahashi's slides are designed for zero distraction. Therefore, all of them have either a black or a white background with respectively either white or black text on them. Second, there are usually no pictures, no figures, no charts, just text. And third, and actually the most important point, is that every slide contains 1 to maximum 5 words, from which one has a huge font size. Does that sound like something you would like to try? Let me know in the comment section below. Along with the presentation itself, the Takahashi method also implies a very specific 6-step way how to prepare for it. In the first step, you have to write down your whole text. In the second one, you have to summarize it in a couple of cue cards. In the third step, you have to summarize the information from the cards into a sentence. Then you have to look at the key words in the sentence and think if they're nice, if they sound good. If they don't, you have to think of a replacement or some synonyms. When your whole initial text is summed up to 1 to 3, maximum 5 words per card, congratulations, these are your future slides. To sum up, the Takahashi presentation method means no distracting colors, no pictures, figures or charts, and only a couple of words that are written very big on the slide that summarize the core messages of what you want to say. Was this video helpful to you? Then give it a thumbs up, click here and here to see even more videos, click here to subscribe, click on the bell button to never miss any videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!